Hey there, Licknriffers! Welcome back to the Lickin' Room! The Lickin' Room, the new Licknriff headquarters. So, Kokomo, I'm dressed for the occasion, and I hope you're ready to learn this awesome song by the Beach Boys. So, this actually starts in the key of C, and you're playing a bass solo. So it's 3, 2 hammer on to 3 on the 5th string, on the A string. And then you do it again. Then you play the D string. And then you play 3, 3, 3, 2 hammer on to 3 on the 5th string. So you get this. And then you have the D string again, and you play 0, 2, 2 hammer on to 3. And then you play the C line on F. So you play 3, 2 hammer on to 3 on the D string. Then you play what you played before. Remember this? You just play it one string down physically, up musically. And then you play the C line again on the 5th string. Then you have the starting line, which is 2, 2 hammer on to 3 on the D string. And then on the G string, the 3rd string, you play 0, 0, 0, hammer on to 2, open 2nd string, and then you play C major 7, which means C with an open 2nd string, so you just play the rest of the chord, because you've already played this. So the next melody line is the melody note, it's the G string. So you've played, okay? That's the line you played. That's the intro. Now the verse, okay, you've already played C major 7, hopefully. If you haven't, play it. Then you play G minor 7. G minor 7, I play it with these 3 fingers, okay, with the 1st finger free. So I play 3, 3, 3 on strings 6, 4, and 3. Now you only have it on for a second because the next line is 0, 0, 0, 2 on the G string. Okay? Then you have F. Now, you only play 1 on the bass string. You don't have to put on the whole chord, and you play it with the open 3rd string. And then you play the rest of the chord. 3 on the 4th, 3 on the 5th. So you can just put on an F5 chord, okay? A heavy metal, okay? Power chord. So you can syncopate it like this if you want. Then you bar the 1st fret, that's the whole finger, okay? That's the only thing you do. And you play F minor 7, which is the same as G minor 7, only 2 frets down. So you play strings 3, 4, 6, this time on 1 instead of 3. Then you have this, 3, 0, 3 on strings 4, 3, 4. Okay? And then you have C with 3, 2, 2 on the D string. Okay, so what you had was this. Then you hammer on 2 to 3 on the D string, open G, and then you have D over F sharp. You can just put on 2 and 2 on strings 3 and 6, play them, and then the D string 3 times. Then you have another solo line. It's a G chord technically. It's the G bass and then the open D string, 0 hammer on to 2 on the G string, and then 0, 1, 3 on the 2nd string. Play it any way you want. You can hammer it on, you can pick it, you can pick it and then hammer on, so on, and then the open E string. So you have, and then you play the C major 7 again, You play everything up to the D over F sharp. So you have C major 7, G minor 7, F, F5 if you want to look at it like that, and then F minor 7, C, D over F sharp. And then you have the G bass again. Okay, it's 3-3-3 on the D string, making this technically a G7 chord. Okay, so, and then 2 on the D string, and then 3 on the 5th string, and you're back to C. So that's the verse, and then you have the chorus. So you're on C again. Okay, hope it's not a ticking bomb or something. So, okay, a normal person would say maybe it's an alarm clock. Okay, so okay, it's 0, 0, hammer on to 1 on the 2nd string. And then again, you can do 1, 0, hammer on to 1 this time. So, and then you have 3, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3 on the 2nd string, and then the open E string. Okay, it's all with C. You can play the chord all the time. And then you have F with a hammer on to 1 on the 1st string. Now you can hammer on the bar, okay, if you want the whole chord. Okay, you can hammer on the bar, or you can just play the bass with 1 on the 1st string. Okay, and then it's the same line. 0, hammer on to 1, 1, 0, hammer on to 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, you can hammer on, and then you have C again. Okay, exactly the same line. So you have, and then you have C again. Okay, you have the hammer on to 1, 1, hammer on to 1, and then you have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 0 on the 1st string. And then you have F with 1, 0 on the 1st string. You can pull it off, and then 1 on the 2nd string. Okay, and then you have F minor. Okay, so again, the bar, just the finger. Okay, so it's the full chord. The melody is 1, 1 on the 1st string, and then 3, 1, 3, 1 on the 2nd. And then you have C again with 3 on the 2nd string, open 1st string twice. Okay, so again, and then A minor with a bar on 5 on strings 1, 2, and 3 with the A bass, and then 8, 5 on the 2nd string, D with 3, 1, 1 on the 2nd string, turning this into D7, and then 2 on the 3rd. And then you have G7, you have G, 1, 1, 1 on the 1st string, and then 1 on the 2nd, hammer on to 2 on the 3rd, 1 on the 2nd string, back to C. Okay, so, and you play the intro again. That's your arrangement for Kokomo. Download the tab, the full Licknriff tab book, all 300 plus arrangements that you have on Licknriff here for free. Download it. The link is below in the description. And while you're there, check out my courses, guitarfreedom360.com. That's my course program. You have a ton of courses to choose from. You'll find the one that's perfect for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you the next lesson. Bye for now. Have fun.